family. I'm out here on the balcony checking out my plants, and I'm also, for what is it, Super Bowl Sunday, we're having some smoked turkey legs. So you hear some noise, like some breathing. That's the Traeger smoker. And I'm also showing you guys my basil plant. I bought a basil plant from the grocery store, and I broke off all the leaves, and I stuck it in this plant, in this pot with the other basil plant I had. You can see it looks like it's in distress, and it looks like, let me see, the one that I bought from the store, I don't know, I'm trying to see if it's gonna grow. It looks like it's in bad distress, but hopefully it'll snap out of it. The dirt is moist. So I read some information about basil plants, and the person was saying they don't like to be wet. So hopefully this plant survives and I get some more basil leaves, because I love basil. Now, this is gardening slash cooking. I guess I'm gonna show y'all the smoked turkey legs, and also I'm gonna make me a black-eyed pea salad to go with these smoked turkey legs for today's meal. Watching the carbs still. But anyway, let me let y'all see. Let me just show some other plants. Then I'm gonna show those smoked turkey legs. This big old Swiss cheese plant, the leaves got humongous, but I don't know. I might not keep this one. I have one in the house. It looks so beautiful. It's getting so big, but it's the weight of this thing. I might grow something else. There go a dead leaf. But it's huge. The watch chain is just all over the place. I have to cut that back. Here's my devil's ivy plant. It's gotten so big out here. These outdoor plants. There's the polka dot lady plants. The starfish sansevieria. My elephant plant. Here's one of my propagated snake plant. Look how big it got. That was the baby one. I'll put it in the before. This is the after. Look how big it is. And this is the propagated snake plant. Look, it got some new growth on it. But anyway, that's it. Let me show y'all the smoked turkey tails. You know how good you can see. And these are smoked turkey legs and a wing or two. About to close it back. Don't want all of you to go away. That's it. It's in a drawer. Look at the clusters on that baby. Got some fallen leaves, but that's alright. We'll just propagate. Propagate! Propagate! Okay, family, here's my finished Super Bowl Sunday meal. I have smoked turkey legs, grilled squash, baked yam, and a black-eyed pea salad. Delicious. All kind of good things in the salad. I have apple slices, grape slices, tomato slices, cucumber, cilantro leaves, parsley leaves. iceberg and some iceberg and some char and some radishes, and I put some olive oil and lemon juice, vinaigrette, whatever you want to say, and egg. And this is Super Bowl Sunday meal. And so with this meal, I'm still going to be able to eat because it's low in carbs, and I'm good with that. So happy football day, guys, and enjoy your day, family. Bye.